Xtrend Speed Trading App Review and Tutorial for Beginners. Want to start trading but don't know where to begin? Let's explore the Xtrend Speed app. Xtrend Speed is a beginner-friendly trading app regulated by SciSec and FSCA, offering forex, stocks, and crypto. Download the app, register with your email or phone, and verify your identity to unlock withdrawals. The minimum deposit is just $50 with support for cards, e-wallets, and local payments. Choose instruments like Forex, indices, or crypto. Place trades with market or pending orders and manage risk with stop loss and take profit. Beginners can copy professional traders, adjusting risk levels to learn strategies safely. The pros would be low deposit, easy app, copy trading, and the cons would be not available in the US and higher fees than some brokers. Xtrend Speed is a solid choice for beginners. Start with the demo account, trade responsibly, and grow your skills.